Friday of June 2011. Record high 98 degrees. Can you imagine that? I know my tomato plants would love that, of course, if they had enough moisture in their soil. And at this point, we still do have enough moisture. All you do is dig down about an inch into the soil, and you'll find it's plenty moist. 34 degrees is the record low set back in 1930-86. And last night, thermometer readings in the viewing area ranged from 38 up in Lisbon to about 46 at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport. So it was definitely a very chilly morning. Well, we'll move on to what's happening now. As expected, thermometers have risen rapidly. We're now looking at 73 at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport after being down near 46. So it's already jumped, 27 degrees. And I expect it'll go about 2 or 3 more degrees before it finally reaches its max. 74 over in New Martinsville and in Morgantown. Wind speeds, well, light coming in generally out of the north and northeast as this cool Canadian high-pressure system continues to track just to the north of the area. Speeds right now at about 0 to 6 miles an hour, but we've had gusts over 15, and it's been a nice breeze, too. Well, this is our look. We did have a few spotty light showers in the western two-thirds of Ohio. We've got a band of clouds right now coming in from the northwest, but no rain associated with that. It's mostly high and mid-level clouds. Well, we've got some hot weather going to try to move in our direction. You can see it's hot in the heartland, shall we say, from the northern plains, 84 in Minneapolis, 90 in Kansas City, 94 in Dallas, and 86 in Louisville. And as the flow shifts, and late tomorrow the winds will be blowing out of the southwest, we'll be transporting some of this warmer air into the area, and that means a rise in not only the heat but the humidity. Humidity's been just perfect out there the last 2 days, but it will be rising again. Now, we do have some frost advisories, parts of upstate New York, and a little bit of New Hampshire and Maine. There's a possibility. Still got some flooding. It's not making the big news lately, but we still have flooding along the Mississippi River, and it goes all the way up to St. Louis. And then we got the Missouri River Basin. There's also problems there. And we go all the way up to about Davenport, Iowa. And then I have to keep looking and see what I think this is the Wabash River, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong about that. But anyway, there's some problems there along the Indiana-Illinois border. Well, here's a wide view of the satellite and radar. Really no major storm systems. We're not expecting much in terms of severe weather this weekend. We'll move on to Predictor. There's our high pressure, which is sitting almost right overhead, still getting that flow out of the northeast out of that. Now, the high is going to move off the coast, and then we're going to start getting the return flow. And by late tomorrow, winds will be out of the southwest, and some of those puffy white, pretty little clouds are going to grow and could become scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms late Saturday into the early morning hours of Sunday. And we have a weak cold front comes through, cools us off a little bit. The weekend starts dry and it ends dry. It'll be warmer on Saturday than it will be on Sunday. And then late Sunday we start getting the winds out of the northeast again, and some cooler Canadian air comes in. And it looks like very nice weather for Monday as you go back to the work week. And then Tuesday, as the warm front starts to move in our direction, there could be some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, and we may see a little bit of that into Wednesday. But basically what we're going to do is get another push of that hot, steamy air from the Mississippi Valley coming back in the middle part of next week. So we see it all written out there in your 7-day forecast. We start dry, we end dry for the weekend. But late Saturday into early Sunday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Late Sunday into early Tuesday, looking beautiful. Slow warm up again. Then we get into some more higher heat and humidity scattered late afternoon and early evening thunderstorms. Tuesday, Wednesday, and then maybe again Friday. Not looking too bad for the month of June. Average high will be up near 80 degrees as we get into the middle part of next week.